guys, I want to share with you how to use SEMrush as good as you can, okay? So let's start. Let's go. So, if you want SEMrush for like 10 euro, $10 per month, I will put my Ranker Fox offer. You can have all of this for $15 per month, okay? If you want. So how to use SEMrush as the best as you can? Okay, so let's go. Let's go. So first tool, the keyword dashboard. Okay, so I will show you the example with binoculars because I like it. So what you want to look at? You want to look at the volume. Okay, this is a pretty good volume. You want to look at the intent. Is it a purchase intent? So commercial intent is good. Is good. It's a purchase intent. You want to look at the CPC, very important, and you want to look at the keyword difficulty. It's pretty important, but it's not very important. But it's pretty important. Okay. You have also the trend. The trend is good. You want to have a trend evergreen. This is evergreen. You have high and low, but it's pretty evergreen. It's good. With the dashboard, you have, like suggestion. This suggestion we don't care because how to buy, where to buy, how to choose. It's not important. There is no intent. Here, vortex binocular, night vision binoculars, best binoculars. This keyword is golden nugget. It's crazy money. You can make crazy money with it. So I advise you to find some keyword with this technique, okay? And the best with the keyword dashboard, you can see website who sell this product. And I said you in in my old videos that you just have to inspire you about their marketing, about their typography, about their color, all about their persona, everything. Like this. Binoculars.com. Like this, man. Here, everything is reflection. This is reflection. All. The announcement bar, everything is good. You just have to inspire you. You can test the add to cart. Inspire you about their add to cart. Inspire you of their offer marketing. Inspire you of everything, like this. Social media. Everything is good on it, okay? So that's for it. You can see the backlinks, but it's for SEO, and the amount of mots-clés they are ranking for. So okay, interesting. After that, you have keyword magic tool. It's my preferred section because it's intuitive and it's good. So you type your keyword here. You put the location, United States, and the Viz USD, currency the USD. So you have the keywords. Sort, filter by volume. You can sort by CPC. Pretty interesting. If you want to rank on the best, the low cost CPC. Uh, Keep in mind that the CPC on SEMrush is not good. It's not very good because it's an average of it. It's an average, in fact, about a year is the average of the year. It's not the CPC of the month. It's the average of the year. So it's not very interesting. The best CPC is on Google Ads. You need to go to Google Ads to show it. So you can sort by exact keyword if you want just to have your keywords like binoculars keyword. I like to sort by volume. Okay. So after that, if you want to, you know, discover a lot of keywords and to rank on it, after that, you click on large request and you see there are a lot of keywords. So what you need to do? You need to look at the keyword difficulty, the volume, the CPC, and that's it. Okay. So this is good to. In fact, the keyword magic tool is perfect if you want to discover new keywords. In fact. So after that, the keyword manager. Oh no, we can't have it. That's a problem. Not a problem for today. So perfect. Um, we we saw the binocular.com website, and now you can, with this organic traffic insight, you can know on what keyword they rank on SEO. So this is incredible. I don't show you because I need to do the login, and it's relou, you know. So binoculars.com, nice. You can see the traffic, organic traffic for a month. It's pretty good. 7,100 visitors per month. It's pretty good by organic. Auto return, okay. Mhm. You can see the bounce rate pretty high. So we can think that their website is not as good as I said, in fact, because the bounce rate pretty good is under 40%. Okay, so you need to think about it, and same as that, 25 seconds by by session. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. You want to be above 1 minute, okay? But a lot of backlinks, and backlinks is the key if you want to crush it on SEO. So after that, what you can do to, okay, yeah, you click it. So in fact, you just have two best section on it. You have the keyword magic tool, I like it, and the keyword dashboard. You just have the two section. These two section really works, and you don't have to work with the other section. It's not interesting as you can see. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the video, guys. You see some great value on it, in it. Have a great day. Keep the hard work, man. That's that's where your boy Rafi, man. Have a great day.